Hello, travel lovers. Welcome to our channel. We hope our viewers are doing well, and our itineraries are providing them with great tips to plan their travel destinations. Today, we have an amazing 8-day itinerary for a trip to Switzerland. Before we embark on the travel journey to Switzerland, we would like to provide a few pieces of information. Best season to visit. The best time to visit is during the summer months, June to August, for pleasant weather and outdoor activities. Local food. Switzerland offers a variety of delicious dishes, including fondue, raclette, rosti, Zürcher Swiss chocolate, and Swiss cheese such as Emmental and Gruyere. Transportation. Switzerland is well connected with trains, buses, and trams, making it easy to explore the country. We suggest that our viewers use the Swiss Travel Pass, which allows travelers to travel anywhere in Switzerland. Visa advice. It's better to check on the official website at https://www.skangenvisinfo.com Switzerland Visa for visa information. Accommodation. Switzerland offers various types of accommodation, including luxury hotels, cozy chalets, budget-friendly hostels, and charming guest houses, catering to different preferences and budgets. Currency. The official currency of Switzerland is the Swiss franc, CHF. So, here we go with our 8-day remarkable journey to Switzerland. Day 1. Arrival in Zurich. Upon your arrival in Zurich, you will step into Zurich International Airport. Zurich's architecture is a sight to behold, blending historic charm with modern design. Take a leisurely stroll through the city's charming neighborhoods, where you'll find stunning buildings, quaint cafes, stylish boutiques, and the beautiful Zurich Lake. For chocolate enthusiasts, a visit to the Lindt Museum in Zurich is a must. Here, you will learn about Lindt chocolate's history and the process of making it. Dive into the world of Swiss chocolate, explore its rich history, and witness the chocolate-making process. You might even get to try different flavors of chocolate free of cost. Enjoy the evening near Zurich Lake and savor some local Swiss cuisine. Afterward, spend the night in Zurich. Day 2. Lucerne. On the second day, you will have the opportunity to explore Rhine waterfalls, located just outside of Zurich. These majestic falls are known as the largest waterfall in Europe and offer a breathtaking natural spectacle. Witness the power and beauty of the rushing waters as they cascade over the rocks, creating a mesmerizing display. After enjoying the falls, you can leave for Lucerne. The distance between Zurich and Lucerne is approximately 50 kilometers. As you travel, you'll be treated to scenic views of the Swiss countryside, passing through charming towns and picturesque landscapes. Upon arrival, take a trip to Mount Pilatus. The best way to reach the summit is by cable car or cogwheel rail, where you can enjoy panoramic views of the surrounding mountains and lakes. In the evening, explore the city's charming old town, stroll along the iconic Chapel Bridge, or take a boat ride on Lake Lucerne and admire the stunning views of the lake and mountains. Spend the night in Lucerne. Day 3. Interlaken town. On the third day, travel from Lucerne to the picturesque town of Interlaken. The distance between Lucerne and Interlaken is approximately 68 kilometers. As you make your way to Interlaken, you have the option to embark on a memorable cruise on either Lake Greens or Lake Thun. Both lakes offer breathtaking views of the Swiss Alps, with towering mountains reflected in the pristine waters. Relax on the deck, breathe in the fresh mountain air, and soak in the beauty of the surrounding landscapes. Upon arriving in Interlaken, check into your hotel and consider participating in adventure activities like paragliding and skydiving if available during your travel season. Alternatively, you can explore the town with its charming streets, shops, and restaurants. Spend the night in Interlaken. Day 4. Interlaken villages. Visit Grindelwald, a charming village surrounded by majestic mountains. Take in the breathtaking views, immerse yourself in the natural beauty, and consider participating in adventurous activities like hiking or taking cable car rides. Next, visit Jungfraujoch, the highest railway station in Europe. Travel through tunnels and enjoy panoramic vistas en route to this alpine wonderland. Once there, marvel at the snow-capped peaks, visit the Ice Palace, and soak in the incredible views from the observation deck. Afterward, make your way to Lauterbrunnen, known for its beautiful village valley town and stunning 72 waterfalls. Overnight stay in Interlaken. Day 5. Gstaad. You will depart from Interlaken and make your way to the enchanting town of Gstaad. The distance between Interlaken and Gstaad is approximately 85 kilometers, offering a scenic journey through the Swiss countryside. Upon arriving in Gstaad, if you are a Bollywood movie or Shah Rukh Khan fan, you'll have the opportunity to visit the famous Saanen Bridge. This picturesque bridge gained fame as a filming location for the iconic Bollywood movie Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge (DDLJ). Walk in the footsteps of the beloved characters and capture the romantic charm of this iconic spot. With its unique blend of Bollywood nostalgia, scenic landscapes, and alpine charm, Gstaad promises a delightful experience. Alternatively, you can take a leisurely walk in the stunning natural surroundings and indulge in spa treatments, which can provide you with the best relaxation at night. After exploring Gstaad, spend the night in the town. Day 6, Geneva City. From Gstaad, travel to the vibrant city of Geneva. The distance between Gstaad and Geneva is approximately 150 kilometers. Once you arrive in Geneva, you'll find a city steeped in rich history and boasting numerous attractions. Marvel at the iconic Jet d'Eau, a magnificent water fountain on Lake Geneva that has become a symbol of the city. Explore the historic street, Pierre Cathedral, known for its archaeological site and panoramic views from the tower. Geneva is also home to important international organizations, including the United Nations Office. Take the opportunity to visit the United Nations headquarters and gain insight into global diplomacy. Spend the night in Geneva. Day 7, Geneva to Montreux. Travel on a delightful cruise from Geneva to the charming town of Montreux, offering picturesque views of Lake Geneva. As you glide along the tranquil waters, you'll be treated to stunning scenery of the surrounding mountains and lakeside villages. If you visit during the Christmas month, Montreux offers an additional festive attraction of the Flying Santa. Witness the magical sight of Santa Claus soaring through the sky on a harness, adding a touch of holiday cheer to your experience. Overnight stay in Geneva. Day 8, departure from Geneva. On your last day, you will check out of your accommodation in Geneva and make your way to Geneva Airport for your departure. Don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration, and leave a comment sharing your favorite part of the tour. Thank you once again for joining us, and we can't wait to see you on our next virtual adventure. Until then, happy travels!